Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you like quick and easy crafting and DIY projects, then you're in the right place. I use items mostly from the Dollar Tree, but you can find similar items at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, thrift stores, or even garage sales. I want to thank you for coming back to my channel and welcome you. Today we're going to be doing just a couple of quick last-minute crafts for Valentine's Day that don't take very long. I hope you enjoy them. And I also wanted to let you know too that the winner to my pop-up giveaway has not claimed her prize. So if I don't hear from her by this Sunday, February 13th, I'm going to be redrawing. So definitely keep an eye out for that. That might be coming soon. And again, thank you so much for stopping by, and let's get started. So for the first project, you'll need a Dollar Tree wooden round sign. You can use a wooden round. You could use a heart. Or, no need to fear if you can't find either, you can also use just one of the Dollar Tree signs and flip it over. You'll also need some scrapbooking paper of your choice. And then I'm going to be using one of the Dollar Tree gift bags that have the little sayings or picture on the front. Optional, you'll need some ribbon. This is the Dollar Tree lace ribbon. I also have the Valentine's Day gingham ribbon and some twine, a pencil, scissors, and the trusty glue stick. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the twine from the hole. Just cut that there. And pull it out. And then you're going to take your scrapbooking paper, lay the wood round on there. Let me adjust my camera a little bit. Pardon my apologies here. Trying to get a good view of it for you guys. So you'll take your wood round, and then you're going to take your pencil and you're just going to trace around the wood sign. So you end up with a circle like so. Sorry. And then you're going to take your glue stick, or you could use regular Elmer's glue. You can use Mod Podge, whatever you want, and just coat the entire back of your scrapbooking paper really, really good. So just go for it. Don't be shy. Think back to kindergarten when you're just going to town with that glue. Just don't eat it. Nobody wants to see that. Just kidding. Eat the glue if you want. I don't care. Just kidding. You don't want to eat glue. It's not good for you. All right. So enough of that. I'm going to take our wood round. We're going to take our circle. And we're going to, theoretically, attach it to the wood round, wanting to smooth out any crinkles. You can tell that I am not very good at attaching things with glue, but that's okay. You can kind of move it if you need to, or reposition it. So let's try it again. As they say, if first you don't succeed, try again. Awesome. There we go. So just smooth that out. Add more glue if necessary, like if you're me and you messed up the first time. Try to make sure you get all the little bumps out. All right, so once you have that done, you're going to set that aside. And then next, I'm going to take this paper bag, because I want that heart that's off of there. And I'm just going to cut that part out. So we're cutting and we're gluing. It's like school all over again. You might have to go flip it over and pull off this back piece. Let me cut this extra off here. Just want to be kind of careful with it because you don't want to tear it and lose your pretty picture that you want. Okay, we're good. Whew, we're close. I was worried there for a second. So I'm just going to cut. And then go ahead and cut this bad boy out. If you have one of those fancy Cricuts, you can print out a little saying or sign or picture like Happy Valentine's Day, Be Mine, Hugs and Kisses, My Valentine is my dog. Oh wait, that's me. Just kidding, I love my dogs. They're my babies. Anybody else have babies with 4 legs and paws? All right, so here is where you want to make sure you're kind of paying a little bit of attention because you want to line up those holes and make sure those are at the top because I'm going to put the heart in the middle. So just kind of checking where those holes are. Slide that up. Going to town with the glue again and the glue stick. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Anybody have anything fun planned for the weekend? With it being Valentine's Day on Monday. Anybody doing anything fun for Valentine's Day? I'm going to go get sushi. I'm pretty stoked about that. All right. So just going to put my heart in the middle. Glue down, oops, a little extra necessary. Now, if you want, you could give this a coat of Mod Podge, which I will do later. I just don't want to do it now because I don't want to bore y'all watching me paint Mod Podge on here. But you get the gist of it. And then you're going to take your twine. And if you want to use your trusty pencil here, you can just poke your holes back where they were. Feed the twine through. Theoretically, feed the twine through. You might have to wiggle it just a little bit. I want to see you wiggle it just a little bit. Anybody remember that song? Am I dating how old I am? So you'll feed the twine through. I got to think about which way I'm doing this. There we go. Watch me struggle with the twine. I'll save you guys the trouble, so we'll be back in just a second. I'm back. Did you miss me? All right, I got the twine back through. That just took a hot minute. And here is where the ribbon comes into play. If you want to add some ribbon, so I just cut a couple of strands of ribbon and lace. I'm just going to kind of throw it on there like that. And then I'm going to take my twine, or you can use more ribbon or lace if you want. And I'm just going to turn this over and tie a knot. Theoretically, easier said than done. Apparently I struggle with knots. Anybody else? Just make kind of like a messy bow. And then I'm going to take it and attach it to the twine on the back. Sorry if you hear the girls whining. They see mommy out and they're like, we want to play. Let's play. What are you doing? Anybody with fur babies or young children will know what that's like. Let's trim that off. So there you have it. And you can trim off any excess if you like. Or if you don't want to put it on the tine, you can actually take it and glue it on to the corner there if you would prefer. But there you go. Quick and easy sign using Dollar Tree products. All right, project number 2. You'll need a Dollar Tree picture frame. Any white picture frame will do, or if you want to use black, you can use that too. And scrapbooking paper of your choice. I like to use something neutral because you'll see why in just a moment. You'll need some of these heartfelt stickers, or just really any stickers that you like you can use. They don't have to be these felt ones, but this is what I picked up. You could also use the wooden heart stickers. They would be super cute. Pencil and scissors. So the first thing you're going to want to do is flip the picture frame over and carefully remove it because these prongs do come off very easily. And then you're going to take your scrapbooking paper. You can either cut it on the front or on the back. And you'll take your pencil and you're going to trace around your craft paper. And then you're going to use your scissors and cut it out. So that way you're left with a square like this. And then you're going to take the Dollar Tree felt stickers and you're kind of just going to want to play with placement. Oh my goodness. If you really want to, you can get a ruler and pencil and mark it out. I'm just going to fly by the seat of my pants and we're just going to see how we roll here. Let's see. There you go. So what I'm going to do next is simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Peel off that sticker back. I say easy, but I'm struggling. Put it on your scrapbook paper and then do it for the rest of them. All right, so I have them all stuck on there, and can I just be honest with y'all and tell you, getting the stickers off the backing was a pain in the rear. If you get impatient, don't feel bad if you decide just to glue them on there. So we're just going to take it, pop it back in the frame. Make sure you have it facing the right way. Close it up. Oops. And ta-da! Look at that. Isn't that super cute? I absolutely love it. I hope you guys do too. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's projects. Please comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel and joining my crafting family. I would love to have you. And also, if you feel so inclined, please get that thumbs up button a hit. I would really appreciate it. It would really help out my channel. Please share if you haven't already because I'm so close to 300 subscribers. And when I get there, I'm going to be doing a makeup bundle giveaway, which I think a lot of people might enjoy with some name brand makeup products. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend. And until next time, goodbye.